Hello everyone, I hope you all are well and making progress in life. Here is Priyanshu and welcome to the Infinity Mind. So today we'll be solving the problem detecting cycle in a linked list. So the problem statement says that we are just given a linked list, head of the linked list, and we just have to return true or false that whether there is a cycle in the linked list or not. So if the cycle is there, so we have to return true, otherwise we have to return false. So in the example one we can see that there is cycle, yes, so we have to return true. Example 2 also there is a cycle, we can see cycle or loop, so we have to return true. In the example 3 there is no cycle or loop, so we just have to return false. So and the number of nodes can be 0 also. Alright, so how we will solve this, how we will detect a cycle in a linked list. So this is a very standard slow and fast pointer two pointer technique. So we all know about slow and fast pointers. So I have taken example of a linked list. So this linked list is given. What we will do, we will just use two pointers. First pointer name will be slow and next pointer I will take fast. So what these two pointers do, the slow pointer moves forward by one jump and fast pointer moves forward by two jumps. Alright, so this moves forward by one jump and this moves forward by two jumps. Alright, now in the first iteration, initially they will be at the head. Alright, so assuming 1 is our head, and in this linked list we have to detect a cycle. So in the first iteration, slow will move by one jump here and fast will move here. In the next iteration, slow will be here and fast will move by two jumps, which is here. Now in the next iteration, slow will move here and fast will move here. In the next iteration, slow will move here and fast will move by two jumps, that's why it's here. In the next iteration, slow will move here and fast will move here. In the next iteration, slow will move here and the fast will move here. Alright, in the next iteration, slow will move here and fast will move here. In the next iteration, slow will move here and we can see that fast will move here. So we can see now slow and fast pointers are at the same node or at the same position. So as whenever they will be at the same positions, we will say that yes, there is a cycle in the linked list. Alright, so just we have to move slow and fast pointers, slow pointer by one jump and fast pointer by two jump, and whenever they will meet, it means there is a cycle is detected, guaranteed. So there is a famous proof also about this. We can you can check on Google also or on YouTube. Now if I go to the implementation part, so what I told, first I have used two pointers. So first pointer was a slow pointer and it was pointing to the head, and next was the fast pointer, it was again pointing to the head, and we will keep moving slow and fast pointers, all right, until they meet. So we will stop when fast pointer will reach null. All right, so let's say there is no, we have to keep moving, keep iterating until our see, we can see that there can be two cases, that there is a cycle or no cycle. So if there is a cycle, so we should keep moving it. All right, we should keep moving our slow pointer inside the loop. Whenever they will meet, we can say that there is a cycle. But what if there is no cycle? What if there is no cycle, there is a single linked list? So we can see our slow and fast pointers, when two pointers were there, slow and fast, we can see that one time will come when fast will exhaust, because fast was moving faster two times. So we can see that time will come when fast will exhaust. So if there was an odd linked list, all right, odd size linked list, so when fast was here, next time it will be here, and next time it will be here. So fast will be at the null pointer, so we should stop here. Or if it was a odd size linked list, it was an even size linked list, and if it was a odd size linked list, so we can see that fast was moving 2 times, so he will be here now, now here. Now we should stop here, otherwise when fast will be moving next time to the next node inside the loop, it will just say that move fast 2 times. This will give error, because he will not be able to access next of fast, next of fast. All right, because next of fast will be null, and next of null will give error. All right, all right. So we just have to handle the cases when there is a single linked list. So we will stop when we find fast is a null pointer, or fast next is a null pointer. So we will iterate in the while loop only when we will just move slow and fast pointer only when there exists fast or there exists next of fast. So slow will be now next of a slow, and fast will be not next of fast. All right, and if slow and fast are equal at any time, we can say that yes, there is a cycle, and we will return true. And if nothing happens, there is no cycle, there is a single linked list, so we can say that this condition will break. Fast will come either null pointer in the case of, I think, the even size linked list, and if it was a odd size linked list, then fast next will be at the end node, so we can say that this will come to null pointer. All right, so we can just return false here. So this was the problem, and if I submit this, and if I check that whether we are able to pass all the test cases or not, so yes, we have solved this problem successfully. Now if I tell you about the time and space complexity, so time complexity is, we can see that we are just iterating to all the nodes. All right, so approximately we can say that time complexity is big of n, where n is the size of the linked list, and space complexity, we are not taking any space, so we can say that space complexity is big of 1. So this was all about this problem. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Till then, keep learning and keep upgrading yourself. See you in the next video.